This P0442 repairing video is dedicated to Kia's driver. If your Kia is getting a P0442 error code, this video is going to show you 2 practical solutions to fix the error code at home. Use the Zeus app to scan your vehicle and see the error code P0442. It means the Evaporative Emissions System is now detected with a small leak, and it's normally between 0.02 to 0.04 inches in diameter. Here are 2 of the most practical solutions to fix Kia's P0442 error code. Method A, the gas cap. Open up your gas tank and inspect the cap condition. Spray clean the gas tank with a WD-40 cleaner first. Check to see if the gas cap also gets dirty. You can use the WD-40 cleaner to wipe it clean as well. Otherwise, you may replace it with a correct model gas cap. Method B, the canister purge valve. The canister purge valve is usually located behind the intake right next to the throttle body. For demonstration purposes, we have removed the canister purge valve prior to filming. But you should locate this component in your car while the engine is still running, and place your finger at the vacuum port to check its functionality. If your finger experiences vacuum stuckage, it means the canister purge valve is stuck and needs to be replaced. Simply take the used canister purge valve off and replace it with a correct new one. So here are 2 of the most practical solutions to fix Kia's P0442 error code. After the repair, you can now use the Zeus app to clear the error code. And tap the rescan button one more time to make sure everything is fine with your vehicle. To save more money on car expenses, claim a free engine code scanner at the description link below, or check out the video here for more info. You're also welcome to leave comments below. Our mechanic professionals will answer them shortly. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks again for watching this video.